For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
While government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies, digital currencies are picking up speed in a significant manner. One of the delegated wonders among crypto resources is Ethereum, included as ETH, which is the local digital money in view of the stage, which is genuinely huge. With decentralized finance, DeFi, turning into all the rage, calculations and science-supported cryptographic forms of money appear to be administering the blockchain world. They highlight brilliant agreement usefulness as well as proposition a safe and exceptionally secure arrangement of exchanges and exchanging with go-betweens involved. A wonder creation by Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum is a high-level blockchain project and generally famous among cryptographic money fans mostly because of its nodal position in the realm of digital currencies. Look at the coin subtleties before we leap to nitty-gritty Ethereum cost forecast today in a significant manner. The mystery uncoded, technology behind Ethereum incredibly. Blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this digital currency, the whole peculiarity and crucial focal point of this cryptographic money is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash viewpoint and use Ether crypto for all commercial center exchanges like monetary administrations, applications, games, and items, to give some examples, which can be based on the stage. As made sense of above, Ethereum empowers designers to plan and work on especially shrewd agreements, consequently carrying out tasks under unambiguous circumstances. Going through the different progressive phases and advancement procedures, the stage has stayed with its arrangement and items to reliably in a real sense overhaul the convention to essentially guarantee further developed convenience, security, usefulness, and decentralization. Ethereum, the empirical rise. What makes Ethereum cryptographic money a sought-after prize is because of its expectation in view of central perspectives. Here cash speed rises to the cost remainder. All amounts are characterized in government-issued money units, setting P equals 1 and M is determined by the quantity of digital currencies duplicated by the cost of in every practical sense, single crypto. Q is how much worth being moved across the organization, and V's examination continues as before. Consequently this capability chips away at the vitally base structure that cryptographic money is contrarily corresponding to its speed, which is very critical. The Ethereum Framework. Right now, most ventures depend on Ethereum as a public blockchain, which awards admittance to a bigger crowd of clients, cash, hubs, and markets. Nonetheless, there are much of the time motivations to favor a consortium or private blockchain. For instance, organizations in the financial area are viewing at Ethereum as a stage for their private blockchains in an unobtrusive manner. Indeed, even Ethereum has been used for some underlying coin offering occasions. Public blockchains, these are completely really decentralized and gotten utilizing proof of work or proof of stake calculations, following a typical rule that how much somebody can impact the agreement cycle most certainly is relative to the quantity of financial assets that they can truly bring to bear. Consortium blockchains, these are to some degree decentralized where a bunch of hubs controls the cycle. For instance, one could envision a consortium of 15 monetary establishments, every one of which works a hub and of which 10 should sign each block for the block to be substantial. Private blockchains. A private blockchain is incorporated to one association for composing consents. Peru's authorizations might be public or limited to an inconsistent degree, which is genuinely huge. Logical applications incorporate data set administration, reviewing, and so forth, interior to an essentially single organization. So broad comprehensibility may not commonly be essential and for the most part many cases, however open auditability is wanted in different cases in an unpretentious way. All above add to the general Ether environment by putting resources into Ethereum programming advancement. Over the long haul, this converts into programming enhancements, shared information, and open positions in an especially significant way. ETH price prediction, 2022 to 2026. Somewhat recently, Ethereum has brought financial backers gigantic returns before the beginning of another year. According to Ethereum cost expectations, ETH is a particularly extraordinary resource for venture contrasted with Bitcoin and for brokers who can explicitly exploit these cost swings for the short and long haul. Ethereum Price Prediction 2022. The fresh insight about European Investment Bank's $121 million advanced bond with the Ethereum network assisted the Ethereum with estimating develop dramatically. As of late, ETH confronted a sharp decay in the wake of hitting a record-breaking high at $4,891.70, however later, it in every way that really matters, recaptured the lost force and crossed the $3,000 cost mark. Nonetheless, since May the in every way that really matters, whole crypto market truly is confronting a negative opinion, prompting steep cost succumbs to every one of the resources. According to the really current cost energy, Ethereum could cross $1,800 toward the finish of 2022. Having seen an enormous de-appreciation that drove the value activity of ETH crypto. Likewise, an update called ETH 2.0 is good to go to at long last send off, which is a further expansion of ETH, which is very huge. According to our figures, this will push the organization's adaptability to 1,000,000 exchanges each second, moving the blockchain from energy-escalated POW to POS. The organization generally is really famous, with various activities based on it. Ethereum Price Prediction 2023. With organizations and partnerships and local area financing, the market glances back at ETH crypto to perform, arriving at a degree of $2,200. Which is very hopeful in the cost of view yet without a doubt plausible for the not-so-distant future. Ethereum Price Prediction 2024, which is genuinely critical. With any progressions in approaches and guidelines, Ethereum may too have its portion of dim days. Assume Ether crypto basically holds the help level around a really long haul moving truly normal of 200 days solidly in an unpretentious manner. All things considered, purchasers will have adequate time and steadiness to manufacture the following assault mission on the essential level at $2,500, making it not dive however play predictably. Ethereum Price Prediction 2025. According to the most recent news refreshes, specialized updates, ETH cost forecast, and new undertaking conjectures of the stage, we expect numerous organizations and incorporations around 2025. This could help the cost of ETH in the crypto market, and it will be all that speculation as the cost can really stretch around $2,900. In any case, assuming the ETH cost face inversion, it could exchange around its critical help of $2,340. Ethereum Price